Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today I can share you so earn a how can earn in airdrops best projects 2025, and you can earn this airdrop a free token, free airdrops. The number one airdrop is okay. You can earn this airdrops. Join this project. And complete quest and earn a future rewards. So number one airdrop is PI network. You can also hear this network. This is the best airdrops on 2025. What is PI squared? Okay, PI squared is a developing a universal settlement layer for variable computing in Web3, designed to enable trustless remote computing, intelligent and interoperable smart contracts across any blockchain or decentralized application, unlike traditional blockchain structure that rely on layer 1 or layer 2 network. PI squared operation as vertical fast information layer that works beyond conventional blockchain limitations. Okay, the project utilizes zero knowledge. You can imagine the zero knowledge proofs through a universal check crucial powered by proof of proof technology, which can verify the correct execution of any program in any programming language. This approach delivers of 1 million transactions per second. It is a huge with sub 100 ms finality, addressing key limitations in current blockchain ecosystems such as fragmentation, slow settlement times, and lack of universal verifiability. PySquare has secured $12.5 million, okay, million in seed funding. This this funding is huge. 12.5 million is huge funding by Polychain and Capital with participation from Novalik Investor, Ingrid ABCD, Robot Venture, and Samsung Next. This is the big projects. And the PI squared airdrop details currently running and spiritual airdrop capture through their Quest portal system, allowing users to earn energy points by completing various tasks. Okay, how do you collect airdrop points? Number one, access the Quest portal. Visit the PI Squared portal. Click on the login button to begin the registration process. Create your account. Sign in usually using your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification code. Enter the verification code. Complete login. Number three, navigation code section. Once logged in, go to Quest tab. Review available tasks including social tasks, game challenge, quiz tasks, complete social tasks, follow PI, Squared official X account, complete any other Twitter engagement tasks as they become available. And number 5 is access the PI reactor game. Click on the PI 12 reactor from the main menu and select play reactor mini game to start the gaming challenge and play the color machine game. Click on circles that match the target color and quickly as possible. Aim for speed and accuracy to maximize your score. Remember that stopping or making three consecutive mistakes will end the game. Okay, to achieve score milestones. Okay, so you can and complete game volume challenge. Play 5 games to climb 100 energy points. Reach 15 total games. For another energy points reward, complete 30 games for additional bonus. Okay. You can play this and you can play and collect these points. And in future, you can make these points to equal money. Okay, token equal money. So this is the legit project. You can join and earn points as soon as possible. And pi squared has secured 12.5 million, and this is a huge dollars funding. This is a good project, you can join. And number two airdrop is Number two is Roam airdrop. Okay, you can also join Roam protocol airdrop by complete this um, simple quest. Okay, what is Roam protocol? Now, number what is Roam protocol? Roam protocol is Solana based instruction layer designed to connect multiple blockchain into a unified ecosystem. Project functions as the fundamental instruction that enables seamless cross-chain interactions, allowing users to send transaction across networks like Ethereum and Bitcoin as if they were part of a single system. Okay, built on Solana's high-performance blockchain. Okay, Roam protocol to scale activity to thousands of transactions per second while maintaining low costs and ensuring secure settlement of layer 1 blockchain. The protocol distinguishes itself through its narrative approach, positioning itself as instead blockchain networks. Room protocol create the roads, accurate and markets that unite different chain into one. Which is Roam protocol airdrop details. Okay, these airdrop details. How to participate this Roam protocol airdrop. Setup number setup is Solana wallet. Download Phantom backpack or Solfair wallet and create a new wallet or import an existing one. And fund your wallet with Sol for transaction fees and acquire Sol for transactions. Okay, purchase Sol from purchase Sol from Binance from this bridge and ensure you have enough Sol for NFT% and transaction fees. Field and participate in a seasonal quest. You can check Rome Builders in a new campaign, complete available quests and challenge, and document your participation through social media engagement, build community reputation. You can build this community by doing tasks, monitor staking opportunities, watch for staking mechanism, and design feature, participate in protocol governance when available, contribute to cross-chain activity and testing, and you can add this task, complete this task, and earn these tokens and enjoy your earning happy earning. Room protocol I think is the best choice mm, for who you can earn money on online. You can earn this two airdrops Roam protocol and first of all I say on PI network. Two protocols are best. Two projects are good funding. Millions of dollars are invested in big companies. You can seamlessly participate and earn your money by doing simple social media tasks, interacting there, and happy good earning. You can earn a good huge money, okay, as you possible. Okay, so happy earning, good day. Subscribe the channel and